Guys, now that all the work we've done today with little Bear, we're now, obviously I'm over there cooking dinner, chilling out, and we're now got to the point where we can move around and he's inside, the door's open. So we're challenging him with the door open tonight. So this is just night 2 of him being in the house. Here we go. Asking him to self-soothe, it's a big one. But he has to learn, just because the door's open, he can't just keep free roaming the house and moving around. So the door's still open. He's making some amazing decisions for a young puppy. Oh, look at that one. Look at that. Look at that. Door open. Oh, this dog's blowing me away right now. All because we have only created a leadership for him today. Fantastic. So, as you can see, I'm up here doing my dinner and I'm still doing my dog training. And you can see over there that Bear has settled and the door is open. So he's eyeballing my guys with their door open over in the crate, and his door over here is open. I keep disturbing him, mind you, but look at that. That is phenomenal. Tough love gets results and turns him into an amazing dog.